Почищено. Привет. Почищено. Почищено. Так что такое 16 декабря 2024 года. Непрерывный час. И все. К обеду еще один непрерывный час. Так что уже вот столько вот снега. Вот поэтому новогодние игрушки надо крепить вот на такие вот пластиковые стяжки. Тогда, когда уличная елка засыпана снегом, меньше вероятность, что они отвалятся. Круто. Января 2024 года. Эксклюзивный день.
Like a satanic cult, it's an old ritual, slaughtering goats, bitch. You're fucking with the original flow, sick and anybody can get it. COVID, fucking with that, I don't know shit. That was so sharp, I could slit my own fucking throat with it. So rich, I got more chips than my shoulders, and I'm about as approachable as a roaches. So better steer clear from it. Here comes a nuclear bomb for your eardrums. Lyricism at its most fearsome and fierce. We're on another tier like a tear ducts of an echelon. Your career sucking, it was sheer luck. Like a fucking leprechaun with his beard cut. With a Punisher, weapon drawn with a beer gut. Slower than a Decepticon with his gear stuck. And I what? I serial killing your Kellogg's. I love checks and I hate tricks. And you're a fake bitch. I can spot you like you about to weight lift. Bitch, I'm better than cake mix. I can't be with egg beaters. You cunts must be out of your labias. And God's my alias. So if I don't have faith in me, then it basically makes me an atheist. Nick Diaz got the world by the tracheas and the chokehold and the sleeper. Yeah, and me and Dre are like dog hair. We're both in our lab coats like retrievers. But like a Doberman, I'm a whole different breeder. Animal mutt hits with an overachiever. Oh, you're the king of rap, you're about to be overthrown. Like a pass over the head of an open receiver. This shit could end up coming to blows like a wiener. But I ain't finished with putting these hoes through the ringer. Like clothes in between the two rollers. Wait, no, what I mean is flows in the woven. I treat them like thread. That's how I wind up sewing machine up. So fucks if you don't give them either time to ride or die. Guess you're either both or you need to throw a middle finger up if you're rolling. But me, I'm
in that 760 leaning when I'm stunting. I blow 50 G's, I mean with ease like this is nothing. Please don't interrupt me when I'm talking to my jeweler. He's putting them diamonds all over my Frank Miller. I get busy, I put that work in if it's worth it. Go through it till I make a crime scene perfect. Niggas talk about me all the time behind my back. They don't talk about me in my face because I'm strapped. See me in the club, I got that Henny in the yak. A couple cups of that and I just don't know how to act. By the second bottle, that's when I just get the buzzing. I say I run New York and ain't nobody saying nothing. Blue 100 G's on my bitches in Miami. They think I'm the sweetest thing invented since candy. Me, I catch a major when you ask me about the shawty. I don't even know my name, switch lanes in my Bugatti. Nigga, I ain't crazy bitches like me cause I'm paid. They want me LeBron, Kobe, or Dwayne Wade. When I say I'm ballin', I'm not talking about a ball. I'm talking about dipping Nico Stones out the mall.
Had Yellow Johnnis when I was born. Kept me in the incubator, 10 days long. I made up songs, I was like humming tunes. 10 years later, writing in my room. 10 years after that on stage, like it's too soon. But for me, see, my parents met inside a nightclub. Olu started to fight, and then my mom's broke it up. She said, this boy, he's in the Navy. Settle down before y'all need saving. Pop went to war around the world, came home, we celebrated AWOL. Fast forward to when I started to play ball. From a place where we hate laws, see the Jakes and we take off. Hit the gate, I get home, and take my chain off. Thankful I got through the day, and all the evil I prayed off. Everything is cause and effect. Make the wrong moves in this business, you lose all your respect. My block is dark as it gets. We all make mistakes, only few will recover from them. Don't spend your whole life running from them. Run up the numbers. Should've told them I'm raising up on a totem. Yeah, ballin' over, pop, Foriola. Mix it up with the cola. Son of a queen and a soldier, can't let him fuck me over. Gotta keep my composure, look.
Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up. Looking down the bottle of my 9, get up. Cause it's time to make the payback fat. To my brothers on the block, better stay strapped. Black and accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth, to the roof of the whole scoop. Oh no, I won't turn the other cheek. Case you can't see us while we burn the other week. Now we got them in the smash, blast. How long will it last? Till the bro get more cash. Until then, raise up. Tell my young black males, blaze up. Like cement, don't stress, test. I'm giving, but be thankful that you're living. Bless. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free you, if not when they shut me in. Once again, it's an all-out spot. Keep your hands in your gap, now your boys watch your back. Cause in the alleys out in Cali, I'ma tell ya, mess with the best and the best could help.
When I die, kid, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of ish, it ain't hard to tell. It don't make sense going to heaven with the goody goodies dressed in white. I like black Timbs and black hoodies. God'll probably have me on some real strict shit. No sleeping all day, no getting my lick. Hanging with the goody goodies, lounging in paradise. Fuck that I wanna coke, to shoot dice. All my life I've been considered as the worst. Lying to my mother, even stealing out of purse. Crime after crime, from drugs to extortion. I know my mother when she got a f***ing abortion. She don't even love me like she did when I was younger. Sucking up chest just to stop my fucking hunger. I wonder if I died, would tears come to her eyes? Forgive me for my disrespect, forgive me for my lies. My baby mother's 8 months, her little sister's 2. Who's to blame for both of them? I swear to God, I wanna just slip my wrist and end this bullshit. Roll the mag up to my head, written bullshit. Until the bed, red, glad I'm dead. I work this f***ing Buddha head. The stress is building up, I can't believe suicide's on my mind. I wanna leave, I swear to God, I feel like death is off the corner. Nah, you wouldn't understand. See, it's kinda like the crack did and New Jack, except when I cross over. And if I'm coming back, should I die on the train track like Rainbow and Wood Street? People like the funeral, frontin' like they miss me. My baby mama kissed me, but she glad I'm gone. She and her sister had something going on. I reach my feet, that's the speak. On my cheek, tell them that my will is weak. I'm sick of lying, I'm sick of talking. Matter of fact, sick of talking.
When I was with you, all you ever do was bitch, talk shit. But you could suck dick, so I didn't sweat all the fussing and hustle. On New Year's Eve, the night I was busted, I would stress and strain to maintain, and didn't need to hear your motherfucking ass complain about niggas in the house, feet on the couch, talking all loud, blunt in my mouth. Bitch, I got 50 cents on this Genesis, talking about niggas got to vacate premises. She did, homie hit start, and out of nowhere, your ass got caught. Pulled out the plug, then you got drugged. We at it again. I tried to count to 10. There's no end to your nag. You can't treat me like I'm bagging ho. You see I'm sagging. Why I got to act like a motherfucking asshole? To be king, I'm a motherfucking fucking castle. You'll never be the missing that breaking on my dishes. And fuck all my ex bitches.
Экономия батарейки. 24 января 24 года плюс 2 КП.